Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a folder on Google Drive. First you log into your Gmail, go to Google Drive, then you're going to hit new, and you click folder. I'm going to do this for my class, so this is my folder for my class. And also you could drag your things that you created, like your PowerPoint slides and Microsoft. You could drag it into the folder like this. Just drag it. And as you can see, once you click on the folder, I have all my things that I dragged into it right here under the folder. And also you could create subfolders into it. Once you click on the folder, you click new folder again. It could be homework. And I'm gonna create 3 for y'all. Excuse me. And as you can see, I have my 3 subfolders in here under my main folder. And if you want, I could just drag it to here. Letter, homework. And as you can see, I am still under the main folder. And this is my 3 subfolders right here. And if I click on it, as you can see, my assignment is right here. Go back, homework, right here. And if I go back again, my letters that I type right here. And that is how you create a folder and have subfolders in it. I'm going to show you how to make sure. See, click on the links to a file folder I created, and I still have my 3 subfolders underneath it. And that's how you create a folder with 3 subfolders underneath it. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.